Good morning, hospitality students and professionals. So today I show Karade, talent manager of IHM Gurukul, will help you to cover the in 125 plus South Indian recipes. It is divided into South Indian breakfast 1, South Indian veg 2, South Indian non-veg 3. So I will cover which are the recipes we have covered here, and you can also check it out in more detail from the book link which I have attached in the description. So the first is in South Indian breakfast dishes. We have the mains which are dosa, breakfast sambar, idli, vegetable upma, semia upma, plant forward upmas, kesari bath, pungal, sweet pongal, semia payasam, medu vada, vegetable vada, punugulu, masala vada, Mysore bunda, Mangalore bunda, green moog dal munda, cabbage vada, sukyam, puran poli, palamuda, brown rice khichdi, broken wheat upma, katarilical chutney, garlic chutney, sesame chutney, kara chutney, coriander chutney, tamarind, beetroot chutney, ginger, peanut, curry leaf, coconut, nog coconut, and tomato chutney. And we start here the recipes of each section with images, ingredients, and the yield, specification, measure, and the portion quantity. In the South Indian veg section, we have the starters like raw banana bhaji, baby corn 65, gobi 65, paneer 65, pavakai varuval, vegetable bonda, masala vada, mushroom pepper fry, mushroom podi fry, onion bonda. In the main course, we have vendekal more colombo, olithial, araju vita sambar, rasam, avial, veg kurma, beetroot thoran, carrot maize kuran purati, erisiri, chembu vatichutu, green peas curry, matanga polisari, vendakala pal curry, vegetable moli, mami appapu, guti venakaya gasarula kura, anapakaya kura, urule budimas, kovakaya parupu usli, Mysore rasam, hakali tengapal curry, parupu urindu kulumba, kiria masiyal, palak sopu saru, vegetable stew, kadala curry, lemon rice, tomato rice, tamarind, curd, ghee, coriander, beetroot, coconut, and coconut rice, vegetable brinji, bisi belly bath, gonguru rice, parapu sadam, carrot rice, chitranan, vegetable kuska, mint rice, peanut rice, inji sadam, curry leaves rice, and mango rice. And here the menu section for the lunch and the meal period. So we have the recipe name, cafe name, the meal period which is served, the yield, the servings, ingredient list, specification, measure, and portion quantity. In the non-veg section of South Indian, we have the starter mean poli chatu, chicken 65, kontai 65, chicken pali palam, andhra chili chicken, pepper chicken, curry leaf fish fry, mean fry, rava fish fry, Kerala chicken fry, chicken chattinat fry, chicken kolakur urindu, cozy upu curry, chicken ghee roast, chicken suka, andhra chicken fry, chicken ulatruru, egg 65, prawn pepper fry, kontil ulatriti cozy saru, pepper chicken soup, moti guju, kodi kura, chicken charinat curry, nadan koji curry, egg roast, varu tharachi kuzi curry, Malabar fish curry, kutim fish curry, mean guzambu, Madras fish curry, Mudurai chicken curry, Muthai guzambu, Chettinad mutton guzambu, Virudhunagar mutton guzambu, mutton saru, Mamsam polusu, Nilgiri chicken, Kongu Nadu koji curry, Malabar chicken biryani, Dhoni mutton biryani, Ambur chicken biryani, Chettinad chicken biryani, Talasari biryani, Malabar mean biryani, Tindigul mutia biryani, Berry chicken biryani, Kozito kote mutton biryani, prawn biryani. And from here the menu recipe for the first recipe, the yield, servings, ingredient list, specification, measure, portion quantity, and the total cost, allegiance, and the sensitivity procedure in detailed format which is mentioned below. You can have a look at that, the chef of the notes, the web nutrition categories. You can have and print if this recipe book, and you can note down for your staff, and you can upgrade them in the South Indian cuisine. So if you are facing any payment issues or need any counseling for choosing the diploma or hotel management career, and if you are need any certification of any kind, you can contact us, or have any other questions, you can comment below. And if the WhatsApp number has been mentioned for any queries, you can contact us for solve any query as soon as possible. And thank you.